welcome back. I know I haven't done a vlog and the last two videos, so I decided let me do a vlog. So yeah, I am going to work. I'm late. Actually, I have like 2 minutes left, but the good thing is that I just walked to school. It's like right outside. But anyway, I wanted to welcome you and open a new vlog, and I hope you come along with me and you enjoy yourself and you stay and you become part of the family. My name is Maputi for those that are new here, and yeah, I just did this head wrap because my hair is not in the best condition. So the whole of this week I've been wearing this head wrap, and I think it's very beautiful. So before I get late, because I am going to a briefing, let's go guys, and I will see you as the video. So how I don't want to get annoyed. It's still early in the morning. Hi guys, it's lunchtime. Guys, teaching is not for the week, baby. Teaching is not for the week. Okay? Don't come here with no. Wow. It's only Wednesday and the week that I'm having. Anyway, we move. But anyway, I just wanted to say teaching is not for the weak, guys. So if you can't handle horrible management, learners and all that, don't do it. Don't do it. Plus there's like a lot of admin. You have to do so many things, and then they expect you to perform miracles. Guys, like I'm good. I was telling a friend of mine to say that at least you're working close to your house, because if you have a horrible day at work, your partner is there. So just make you feel better. Some of us, our partners are like a million miles away, and you can't just get in the car and say, let me go see my partner. Guys, I'm having a week. I'm just having a week, and hopefully it will get better. Anyway, it's break. I'm going to eat, and then after that, I'll see you guys later. I'm going to catch up on other people's videos, and then I'll catch up with you guys. Anyways, I don't know if I mentioned, but I put on this off because the hair is bad, but I think it looks nice. Anyways, guys, I don't want to ramble. I'm rambling. Let us talk later. And then I've written class work at I've written your class work. Aringwale, Ritualeli Shata. Then I did corrections. And continue. Camera. Pedi Bugajan tradition. Aritome Bala number 1. Let's read number 1. What is the problem that a girls are facing? Yes, we want to know, what are these girls' problems? Stefan? Number 2, yaring ma'am. Kadao has no how to do American beef figures. And number 2, go to Kadao. American beef. Alright, another A. Whoa. Alright, this is the last one, ma'am. Sanam.
What I will do is on respond on WhatsApp to be exactly.
Abraham,
colleagues is on the circular. The exact number
like
for each level is on the circular. Okay.
Yes. Both of them secular. Check what is required
Most of them are like
to
that.
second
Yeah.
like that. I have outlined it.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Mumute from grade 5 to 6.
Hello.
I will see you guys in another day.
Because after the shalana mara, neki ya kamo. Oh, we're not a kamo. We're not century. So century. I get it. Alright. Want to go stay?
Não é que eu comi coxicha.